Hello everyone, this is lecture 396. In this lecture we are taking example of road in cutting, hilly roads, that is 3 cross section at 10th, 11th and 12th chainage. The chain length is 10 meter. The cross section is given at 10th. This is a side slope S 1 by half to 1, and this is 1.5 to 1. Both side S is equal to 1.5, and the total formation is 10 meter, and the depth is 3.6 meter, and R is to 1 is 8 to 1. Similarly, in the 11th, this is 10 meter, 1.5 and 1. This is side slopes, and the depth is 3 meter, and this R is 12 into 1. And in the 12th, the formation is 10 meter, 1.5 is to 1 is the side slopes, and this ground slope is 10 is to 1. So there are 3 cross sections at different interval. So we have to find out the earthwork in excavation. So let us use the formula A equals to SB square R square within bracket 2BD plus SD square divided by R square minus. Here in the 10th A10 you can say B is 10 by 2, that is 5 meter, S is 1.5, and R equals to your 12. There R equals to your 12. So putting these value 1.5 into 5 square plus 8 square. So first one we have taken 8. So first one is 8. Second one is 12. So this is your 8. First one is 8. So 8 square 2 into 5 B into D 1.5 3 square divided by 8 square minus 1.5, we are getting 58.07. Similarly, if you go for the A11, so you are putting the value 1.5 5 square 12 square 2 within bracket 2 5 3, this depth 1.5 3 square divided by 12 square minus, we are getting 44.40. This is the middle one. And the third one is 1.55 10 square 2 within 4.2 depth 1.42 square divided by 10 square. 10 is your R minus 1.70.4. So we are getting 3 areas. So we can use the formula R mid section. So even if you use mid section, they take the 18 average, then N 11 12 and the distance is your 30 meters. So we have taken this average and we are getting this value, and 11th 12th we are getting this value. So in this formula we are getting the total value is 3260.85. If you apply the pyramidal formula, then the total length will be 30 plus 30 60, 60 by 6 L by 6 plus A1 will be this one, and A2 will be the last one, and middle one will be your AM. So we are getting 60 by 6 58.07, this is 70.42, that is in to in, and this middle one is 44 multiplied by 4. So we are getting this much 3062.9. The difference of third and fourth we can say with respect to pyramidal formula, we are getting 6% of difference. There is a 6% of difference between the averaging and this pyramidal formula. So we can use the pyramidal formula for the better accuracy. Otherwise you can go for the mean formula, whatever may be suitable. So in this way we can find out the earthwork in excavation in cutting, you can say in cutting. Likewise, if it is in fully embankment or banking, you can also find out. So we have applied the formula in this way. In the next, we'll go for the partial filling and partial cutting. Thank you for being with me. Thank you very much.